Hey, and welcome to the Sentient Shed. Today we're going to make our own StackChan. We're going to combine the StackChan Core ESP32 controller with the StackChan Body. And the StackChan Body is the foot, base, and the servo part of the body. Everything pretty much behind this front panel here, and that is the core, which is really the CoreS3 controller rebranded and stripped down a little bit. There's no DIN rail mount or anything included with it, but it's basically the CoreS3. And so we'll take that out of the package, and you can see that it's the CoreS3. Any variant of this from the M5Stack store will work with StackChan. There's a couple different versions out there. All of those will work. And so this is the StackChan body. Comes kind of nestled in here pretty well. We'll pop it out. And you can see it's pretty much all of the StackChan except the front display. And it includes an extension cable if you want to include an extra module. Okay, so we'll take our core unit and we're going to connect this little 4-pin wire to this 4-pin header here. And after we do that, it's basically just going to fit onto the front, and we're going to guide the header pins here into the holes over here. And you just basically line it up with the square and it will pop right on. So we're just going to orient the cable in the correct direction, kind of nestle it, slide it in. We'll kind of push it down firm. And then I think I'll actually grab the little tool that came with it just to press down onto the corners and make sure that it is all the way seated. Now we'll just make sure that cable folds under and isn't going to get caught on anything. And if you pretty much line this up with the edges, you'll feel those header pins thread into the holes, and then you can just gently apply pressure around the edges to fully seat the StackChan core into the StackChan body. And now that is a fully assembled StackChan. We'll power it up. It should be loaded with the StackChan firmware. And I'm not sure what this is, but I think we'll just hop over to M5 Burner and just go ahead and flash a fresh, updated, up-to-date version of the firmware. We'll search out StackChan. There's a whole bunch of options. We're looking for this first one here. You can select the box up at the top to only show the official firmwares, just so you're sure. And for StackChan user demo, we'll check the most recent version. 1.4.4 was just released a few days ago on the 13th. We'll download and then burn, and then it'll take about a minute or two to flash. And here StackChan is starting up. We'll want to hit start on this first menu and then hit start again to calibrate the servo motors. This allows StackChan to know where the home position is and know where the boundaries are and ensure that it's going to move in a way that is not going to damage the StackChan unit itself or any of the servo motors. And so this is pretty much all set up, and you can flash your own firmware or continue with the official firmware here. Like and subscribe for more StackChan content like this and other fun stuff at the Sentient Shed. Thanks for stopping by.